what's up? I am Shelby, and since it is the new year, or the new year is coming up, depending on when I upload this video, I wanted to do some decluttering and deep cleaning with you guys. So this is my bathroom, and I haven't even done like a pre-clean before I do this video, so not even like a basic clean really. It is a mess. So I'm kicking off with the under the sink cabinet. Even look at it. Here is the top shelf. It's just a bunch of random crap stuffed in, and the bottom shelf, just you can see everything has just been like literally shelved. So I'm gonna pull everything out and I'm gonna start decluttering, going through everything one by one. So this is what I've ended up with. Here is a pile of Luke's things, which I'm going to ask him about. So he has quite a lot of skin stuff because he has psoriasis. This is all the stuff that I'm getting rid of. So pretty much empty can of this. Empty, I need to stop keeping empty things, basically empty. This, I don't think that I will ever use this. I think it's like a head wrap type thing. These are things of deodorant that have gone really feral. And this I'm probably not going to use again. Oh, this is a self-tan eraser. Now this didn't work when I used it last. This stuff, I have plenty of it, but it's really good when you get sunburnt. Mom just bought me a heap. I've got my self-tan mitt. I finally got myself a good self-tan mitt. This is legit. So I don't feel like I'm getting rid of an extreme amount from the bathroom cabinet, which is good. I don't think I've really accumulated that much from last year, although I'd have to look at my old video to actually check that. So now for the fun part, I've cleaned out my cabinet, so I am going to chuck everything back in and make it look all neat and organized. So after doing that, I've gotten rid of a plastic bag worth of stuff, which doesn't seem like much, but I guess when it comes to like products and stuff like that, it kind of is a lot. Since I'm going at it section by section, there's still stuff in here that I need to look at. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to properly clean my bathroom sink, my bathroom mirror. Side note, I went to the beach yesterday. That's why I have this red mark on my neck. It's just poorly applied sunscreen. Alright, so we are going to clean bathroom area in general. I've been meaning to do this since we bought this. This is an area that we'll be decluttering later. Glass cleaner. You don't want to talk about it? So Luke is getting rid of these three things. I have cleaned the mirror and I've taken off those containers that were there. I still really don't like this setup. I just, I need to work something out for here. Some containers that cover this up because it's just all so ugly. Anyways, now let's move on to the shower. So there's already some easy bits and pieces that I can get rid of because they're empty containers. Remind 2018 me to get rid of my old containers. I know that this is already empty, my ocean salt, and I have an empty shampoo bottle in here too. And I have a practically empty other Lush product. So other than that, I've just got my Endeavour. It is a vegan, cruelty-free hair shampoo and conditioner, FYI, in case you're looking for a good one, and it's purple shampoo too, really good for ashy blondes. This is Luke's T-Gel because of psoriasis and whatnot. Then he has this Hydra stuff that he uses to clean his face, and that's his conditioner and shampoo. I use pretty much all of it, just a soap, and oh my god, this stuff, my friend got it for me as a gift. It literally smells so good. So the shower was pretty much clutter-free. There were a few bits and pieces, but it was just empty containers. So now I'm going to do like a deep clean of the shower, so actually take the hanger off, do a proper clean and a proper scrub of all of the walls. Like, I will get very into it. This is gonna take all day, but my bathroom's gonna be so clean. I took a break for some food and I made some baking soda paste, which is supposed to be like really good for cleaning your shower. Ready to feel fresh? So the shower is done and it looks so clean. So now we're moving right along to this section of the bathroom, which is a bit of an unorganized mess at the moment. So I'm gonna tear everything out, do a bit of a wipe around. Hopefully I can organize it a little bit better. So I'm left with an assortment of things, most of which is stuff that I'm gonna keep because, I mean, toilet paper, cat litter, some cat food. I think I'm pretty safe. I think I'm just gonna organize it in a slightly different way. There's stuff that's in the wash that should be in there, but I'll just chuck that all in later, and I'm just gonna like, yeah, rejig it a little bit, I think. So this is the end result. I haven't really done much. I just cleaned out all of the shelving and then I chuck things back in a nice and neat way. The next section that I'm working on is just all of my cleaning supplies, which I store under our laundry sink. So here is what I'm getting rid of: an empty container, some bar soap that I'm going to offer to my sister because we don't really use bar soap, a toothbrush because I only need one cleaning toothbrush, and these because I've never grabbed them out and we've been here for quite a while. Then I'm keeping all of this stuff. This is the only thing that I don't use on a regular basis, and probably this, namely because I didn't know that they were there. So now that I know they're there, I'm going to make an effort to actually use them because my cat scratches everything. So I've pretty much decluttered everything. I'm already feeling much better. Now I just need to do like a general tidy up. So I'm gonna do like a proper clean of like the toilet, the laundry sink. Then I'll show you the final cleaned, decluttered bathroom that I end up with. I'm finally done and my bathroom feels so clean. I'm super exhausted, like definitely ready for some food. I'll show you the final product. So this is the view coming inside the room. Beautiful, lovely, nice clean sink. Even though it might not look like it, there's less stuff in there and it's way more organized. Then I've got a beautiful clean shower. And then if we make our way over here, we've got a nicely organized set of shelves with this frustrating large vacuum that takes up too much space. Then I've got my little paper hamper. So in the end, I got rid of this much stuff, which is actually a lot more than I thought. Granted, a lot of it was just empty packaging, but still it's just nice to feel a little bit refreshed, a little bit reset. I don't know about you guys, but like having a clean space always makes me feel a lot more inspired. So I'm hoping to actually go through all the different rooms in my house and do exactly what I've done now. I hope you guys enjoy the different type of video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I appreciate you guys so much and I will see you soon.